Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kelly and today I have a Shein haul for you. I bought some stuff at Shein. I got this before Christmas and a lot of things happened during the last couple months, so I didn't unbag it on camera yet. So here we go. The first thing I got from Shein. Let's get it open. I don't even remember, to be perfectly honest. I don't remember. Okay, it's a sweatshirt right here. Let's see. It's got that like really soft terry cloth, I think it's called. Maybe not terry cloth. Is that what it's called? But it's very soft inside. It's not super thick. So I couldn't go out in like 30-degree weather just wearing this. And this on the front, I'm not too sure. I'm not too sure if that means something or if it's just like a heart. I think it says something. What do you think it says?
In
my
woods.
In my woods? I don't know what it says. I'll have to double check back to when I bought it and see what it says. I hope it's not something like gang related or something. It'd be like, oh crap. No, thank you. But anyway, it's just a gray sweatshirt and I thought, you know, maybe my daughter would like it. So then I got, looks like another t-shirt right here. So, oh, my kids are walking in. I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back. So this is a t-shirt that I got. It's, let's see what it is. What is it? Nope, not today. And I believe that is supposed to be a little sloth. Nope, not today. I've got this thing with sloths. Like Grandma Bev loves sloths. So does opinionated horsewoman Stephanie and Sunny. I believe Sunny from Sunny's Place. Which Sunny, I know she's probably not watching this, but it doesn't matter to me. I love her channel, but I haven't been there in a while. So I'm going to actually go check it out today. But nope, not today. It's just a black t-shirt. Nope, not today. That is completely me. Nope, not today. Just ask my kids. Nope, not today. And then I purchased something pink. My favorite color, as you can tell. Pink, pink, pink. Let's see, what is it? Because I don't remember. Oh, it says, okay, Los Angeles, California. Right here. I don't know if you guys can see it. Los Angeles, California. Now, I am from California. I am not from Los Angeles. I'm from Orange County, Southern California, which is not too far from LA, but it's not LA. But stop saying I learned that in speech class. Don't say but I keep doing it anyway. I thought that it was close enough. Close enough. So, Los Angeles, California. This looks, I like my shirts a little long. I can't really tell on this one. It looks a little shorter. Like maybe if I wash it, it'll get up even shorter. It's 100% cotton. No, it's not. No, it's not. It's, I can't read. I think it says 60% cotton and 40% polyester. I have my contacts in and it's weird because I can see far away super good now, but I can't read. I literally, like, I cannot read up close. It's just like it helped me see far, but now I can't see up close. I don't know the solution. I bought some reading glasses just at Walmart. So I have reading glasses now. I was really hoping to be done with glasses. So I don't know, maybe I should have said something to the doctor about that, but I mean, do they make contacts where you can see up close and far away? I have no idea. But anyway, yeah, so this may shrink a little bit, but I'm not really too sure. Probably not that much. Okay, so let me see. I think that's all I got from Shein. And I got a little, I guess there's a code here for 15% off if you wanted to take that. and shop Shein. Here's the online code. You can just go ahead and scan that with your camera and check it out. I love Shein. I love their clothing. I love their earrings. In fact, I think these came from Shein. A lot of my earrings came from Shein. In fact, almost all of my earrings came from Shein. That's how much I love them. I no longer subscribe to any jewelry place company anymore. Shein fulfills, why is it so hard for me to say, my needs when it comes to jewelry, for sure. Anyway, everyone, thank you so much for coming and watching this short little video. I greatly appreciate it. Subscribe. Oh, and Hannah wants to say what's up to everybody. Thank you, Hannah. So now she says she can care less. She's a teenager. What can I say? Subscribe if you can. Give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget, I do have a giveaway going on. So check that out. Everyone, thank you very much. Have a great day. Bye.